Let me ask you a simple question. When you see this, what do you think x is? Most students answer like this. It's an unknown number. That's not wrong, but it's not enough. Because if you think of a variable as just a number to find, you will start doing math like a guessing game. But a variable is not a mystery box. A variable is a relationship. It tells you how things are connected. Let's look at this. This doesn't mean find x. It actually means some number when you add 3 becomes 7. So x is not a thing, it's a role. It's a position in a relationship. Now look at this. 2x equals 10. Many students think x is a number, but what this really says is 2 times something equals 10. So x is not the answer. X is the thing that makes the sentence true. Here is the important part. This difference in thinking seems very small at first. At the beginning, both ways often give you the same answer. But as problems becomes harder, this tiny difference creates a huge gap in problem-solving ability. One student is just moving numbers. The other student is controlling relationships. Let's try something more realistic. X plus y equals 10. Question: can you find x? No. Can you find y? No. But does this equation still mean something? Yes, it means these two values are connected. If x goes up, y must go down. If x becomes bigger, y becomes smaller. They are linked. This is what variables really do. They move together. Now look at this, y equals to x. This does not mean find y. It means y always changes with x. If x doubles, y doubles. If x becomes 0, y becomes 0. This is not a number problem. This is a relationship problem. Now let's do a quick thinking test. Which is better thinking? A. I need to find x. B. I need to understand how x behaves. The correct answer is B. Always B. Because in real SAT, real algebra, real math, you are not solving for numbers. You are controlling systems. Let me show you a common trap. X squared equals 9. Many students immediately say x equals 3, but that's not the full answer because 3 squared equals 9 minus 3 squared equals 9. So both of these work. Now, here is the important question. Is x the answer? No, x is the input of a rule. The rule is square the number. And both 3 and minus 3 fit into that rule and make the statement true. So, x is not the answer. X is a role in a rule. So, here is a mindset shift. A variable is a hidden number. No. A variable is a moving part in a structure. From now on, don't ask, what is x? Ask, what does x do in this equation? That single question will change the way you do math. In the next episode, we'll see how this way of thinking helps you avoid traps in word problems and systems.